In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Venus flytrap in Roblox in Grow a Garden. So the first thing you want to do is over here in the middle, you were probably able to see that there's now a new update. When the Easter update is gone, the Easter event, we now have this angry or hungry plant over here in the middle. Now, what you have to do to get the Venus flytrap, you want to walk up to it, and over here it will tell you what you have to feed it. So in this instance it wants a daffodil that weighs at least 0.22 kilograms. Then after you do that, sometimes of course it's gonna want, for example, a tomato, sometimes it's gonna be a blueberry, whatever. So whatever it wants, make sure you get it, make sure that weighs enough, and then put it inside your hand just like this. So for example, let's say you put in a blueberry or something, come up here and click on take this plant, and after it does take this plant, it will eat it and it will give you a seed pack. This one will be a basic seed pack, so over here, this one. Now inside the basic seed pack, you can get a bunch of different things, as you can see over here. Now, of course, the rarity will change depending on which the thing is. Now, of course, the raspberry is the most common, while the rainbow sack is pretty much impossible to get in the basic pack. However, what you can get in the premium pack, as you can see, is all of these things, and over here there's basically the percentages of the chances. Now, to get the Venus flytrap, you have a 1% chance to get it inside this premium pack. Now, in the premium seed pack, you can actually get it, of course, with Robux. It says how much it costs over here, but you can also get it for free. And the way you get it is to basically feed the plant 50 times, and after you do this, you will get yourself a premium seed pack completely for free. You won't have to pay anything. The plant will give you the premium seed pack, and after that, you can just roll it, and if you get lucky enough, you have 1% chance to actually get the Venus flytrap. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can get the Venus flytrap. So those are two ways, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.